Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. So our today's topic is BODMAS. Most of you are aware of BODMAS, right? BODMAS rule in arithmetic. So without BODMAS rule, we can't able to solve the simplification problems within arithmetic. So BODMAS is the key here. BODMAS rule. We have one rule within BODMAS. So right, we have what is the rule? So we have to follow this sequence. B, O, D, M, A, S. While solving any simplification problem in arithmetic, right, we have to follow these steps so that we can able to achieve, right, or else we can get the wrong answer. Okay. Here, what is the brackets, right? You can see these are the types of brackets we have: lever braces, square braces, whatever we have. So order of means square roots, exponents, indices, powers. Whenever we find question with square roots or powers, right? So we have to solve this before solving division and multiplication, these things, right? So this is the sequence we have to follow from top to bottom. Okay. Once we get into the questions, right? So that you can able to understand how to solve this, right? Without following BODMAS rule, we can't able to solve any simplification problem in arithmetic. Okay. If you if you are not following this BODMAS rule, then you may get wrong answer, right? So let's jump into some of the simplification questions so that you can able to understand it clear. Here, our first question is evaluate 2 plus 4, 22 plus 6. Okay, right. Let's see. Here, this is what is this in BODMAS bracket of here. This is division, right? This is addition. This is multiplication. So what is the sequence here? BODMAS, BODMAS, right? This is the BODMAS. We have to follow this sequence. First, we have to solve bracket. This one. Then off is not there, then division, then multiplication, then only addition, right? So we need to follow this sequence to find the answer for the given any simplification question. Let's see here. Here I'm just writing down the steps, right, for the sake of your understanding only. So for basic understanding, I am just writing down the steps so that you can able to understand how we are solving this. Okay, going forward, we can do it. I mean, by seeing the question, right, we can solve it within 20 to 30 seconds. So here you can see 2 plus 4 divided by. So first of all, I'm solving this bracket, right? 22 plus 6, 28 into 2. What is the next preference for us, right? Division here. Then, no, I mean, don't do multiplication before division, right? So then you will get the wrong answer here. This is where we are confusing. Okay, 28 into 2, 56. If you write 56 here, then it will be the wrong answer. So just follow these steps. 2 plus 4 by 28 means 1 by 7. Right, 4 ones, 4 sevens into 2. Okay, just leave this part. Just to leave this two part, 2 plus. So 1 by 7 into 2. What already I told you, right? 1 by 7 into. If you are not find anything, right, then you can write it as 2 by 1. Then what is this? 2 by 7, right? 1 by 2 into 7, 2 into 1, 2 by 7. So 2 plus 2 by 7. It is in the form of mixed fraction, right? In last video already we discussed about fractions and mixed fractions. If not, just go through that video, right? 7 into 2, 14 plus 2, 16 by 7. Okay, this is how we are converting mixed fraction into fraction, right? This is the answer. 16 by 7 is the answer for the given question, right? How we are solving this? 7 into 2, 14 plus 2. If we found negative symbol, minus here, right? Then we need to subtract 2 from 14, right? So here it is plus, right? Then I am adding this. Got my point? So this is the answer. 16 by 7 is the answer for the given question. Then second one. Well, you can see here. This is in several braces. Then we have divide by 75. So we can do one thing in an easy way, right? So I'm just solving this within the bracket, right? I'm just looking into the, I mean, looking into the values within the brackets. So here we are following this, right? This is divisor. So we need to first solve this. 32 by 2. All of you know, right? 32 by 2. 2 ones, 2 sixties, right? 2 sixties, 32. So 15 into 16 into 5, right? These are the values within the bracket now after solving, right? In a single step, you can do this. After seeing this, right, you can solve this 15 into 6 into 5, 16 into 5, sorry, by. So division, right? All the, I mean, 75, I mean, 75 dividing 75, I mean, this whole value is dividing by 75, right? You can see division symbol after bracket. So this is the whole value, and this is the some different value. So these are, I mean, you can say, you can write like this, right? We can able to write this, right? Because 75 is dividing all the whole value within the bracket. 15 months, 15 fives, 5, 5. 16 is the answer. So if you are able to understand this and write down this step by single step, then you can able to find the answer within just 10 to 15 seconds only, I can say, right? So the thing is here how to write it down, right? How to solve this and what is the BODMAS rule and how to follow that. This is the key here. If you are able to understand what is the BODMAS rule and how we are solving this, then you can able to find these questions within 10 to 15 seconds after practicing a lot only. I'm saying, okay, just practice more and more simplification problems. Then you can able to solve this within a quick time. Here. So this is bracket, right? Then bracket, you have bracket as well as order of, means 3 power 4, right? So first solve within the bracket. So I'm solving within the bracket. First of all, 3 power 4. Right. Within the bracket also, I'm not doing multiplication because before multiplication, we need to find order of. Right. So 3 power 4 value. How we can get 3 power 4? 3 power 4 in the sense 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Right. So if you are good in maths, right, then you can able to do it easily. 3 threes are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 threes are 81. Right. We can able to do this. So if you are not that much good, right, I mean, if you need some more speed in calculation, then you can do one thing. You can split this 3 power 4 into 3 power 3 square into 3 square. Then what is it? What is 9 into 9? 9 into 9 is easy for us, right? Apart from 27 into 3, 9 into 2, 9 is easy, right? So you can split 3 power 4 into 3 square into 3 square. 3 square means 9, 3 square means 9, 9 into 9, 20, sorry, 81. Okay? So 3 power 4 value is 81. 2 into 81, right? 81 into 2. So 81 into 2. How we can do this, right? 88, 161 plus 1, 2, 162. What it? 162. 5 into 162 divided by 6 plus 7 minus 8. So what we have to do next, right? After solving this, right, then we have division here. So look at here, 162 by 6, right? Okay, is it divisible by 162 or not? Just remember one thing here, whenever you are seeing any simplification problem in exam, right? Just go through the options. If you find option with, I mean, if the option is decimal value like 76.28 like that, then there is a problem. I mean, we need to spend some time, right? If option is like 81, 62, right? Any round figure, right? Then 100% I can say this value will be divisible by 6. You can see here, 6 ones, 6 to 12, 42, 6 sevens are. So the value is, this value is 27, right? So 5 into 27 plus 7 minus 8. This is the value we have to find. 27 into 5. Just calculate a bit fast so that you can able to answer it quickly. So 27 into 5, right? So a small thing I can tell you here. 27 into 5. 20 into 5, 100. 7 into 5, 35. 135. Okay. 20 into 5, 100. 7 into 5, 35. Total 135. Plus 7 minus 8. Minus means 7 minus plus 7 minus 8. Okay. 7 minus 8 means minus 1. 135 minus 1. What's the value? 134. So 134 is the answer for the given question. It may take a time while explaining, right? So if you ask me to do off my own, right, I won't follow all these steps, right? So if we are good in simplification or if we are good at BODMAS rule, right, then you can solve this, right? 3 power 4 means what? 81. 81 into 2, 162. You can directly say this is the 162 value. 162 by 6 also you can say 27. Okay, if you are good. 27 into 5, 135. 135 minus 1, 134 is the answer. If you are good at, if you are speed, if you are able to calculate speedily, right, in a speed manner, moreover, you need to understand the BODMAS rule and you have to use that rule in an effective way so that you can able to answer the question very quickly. Here you can see, what is this? 2 of 5. What is off here? In maths, wherever you see off, right, it should be like into, right? This is the question actually. Some people may confuse here, right? What is off here? Into. Bottom part. So here, what we need to do? First, this one. Don't do 2 into 5, 10, 10 by 5, 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, that is the wrong way. Okay, first, you have to do like 5 divided by 5. Okay, what is the 5 divided by 5? 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 is the answer. You can say, right? 2 into 5, 10, 10 divided by 5, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, fine. For this, it is correct. But if I am giving some other number, right? So some 45 or some other number, then it should be a problem, right? So every time you should follow BODMAS rule only, right? If you find any question like this, right, you have to follow BODMAS rule first. You can see 5 divided by 5 first, right? 2 into 5 divided by 5, 1, right? 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Directly we can say 5 is the answer. It won't take much time, right? Within seconds you can able to solve this. Without pen and paper also we can solve this. If you practice well, right? Without pen and paper also you can able to solve this in a quick manner. Get into the next question, right? Yeah. So we have two different brackets, right? One by one we have to solve here, right? First, here also we have within the bracket, right? 18 minus 6, 12. 12 divided by 4, 3. Directly first value 3 plus this whole bracket. 12 divided by 3. Don't do 72 minus 12. Just do this. 12 divided by 3. What is the value? 4. Okay. 4 into 2. Right. 8. 72 minus 8. 64. Then the value is 67. Got it? So what I'm doing? First I have to divide here. Okay. 3 4s are 12. This value is 4. 4 of 2. And it means 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 72 minus 8. 64. Here 64. Single step we can do this. Okay. If you are not following the BODMAS rule here, okay, then let's see this example. Like the before question, right? If you are not following the BODMAS rule here, you can say like 72 minus 12, 60, 60 divided by 3. Anyhow, 60 is divided. 3 is 60 is divided by 3, right? Of 2. You can say, okay, 60 by 3, 20 into 2, 40. But this value should be 64, not 40, right? So whenever you are not following the BODMAS, you can get the answer. Anyhow, you can get the value round figure, and you can able to see here 40 is the some value like 40. But in this case, you didn't find, right? 40 plus 3, 43. You didn't find 43 in the options, in the given options. Maybe they may give none of these, then you can keep none of this. Okay, you can tick the none of this. Okay, that is the problem here. So whenever you see the question, right, then just must follow BODMAS. Just keep BODMAS in your mind. What is B? What is O? What is D? Or else you can take the screenshot from the previous time. Okay, so that you can able to understand what is BODMAS. Just keep in mind BODMAS. You have to follow BODMAS for each and every question in arithmetic. Simplification, right? Or else it may be the problem. Let's jump into the next question. So here you can see we have multiple divisions, right? First do the calculate the divisions, then we can. So yeah, we have one task here. Without pen and paper, we have to solve this, right? Just do this of your work. Okay. I'm just explaining here, but what I'm saying is first do of your own. Just pause the question here, then you can try to solve this. Without pen and paper, you can solve. So you can try to solve this. Okay. Then I can tell you. Okay. Then just resume the video and just see the explanation. How we are doing this. Here 9 value is 9. Here value is 2. Anyhow, right? You can see 9. 9 into 6, 54. 54 plus 12. Right? We have only plus symbols here. So 54 plus 12. 66 plus 2, 68, right? Minus 2 into 2, 68 minus 4, 64. Got it? Okay, directly. I mean, you have to understand, right, what we need to do first. So step by step we can do now. 12 plus 6 into 9. 3 nines are 127, right? Plus 2 minus 16 by 8. 2 into 2. So first 2 into 2, 4. We can take it because it's into symbol, right? Multiplication, right? Then 12 plus 9 6 are 54. Okay? 54 plus 12. What is 54 plus 12? 66 plus 2 minus 4. 62, 66 plus 2, 68 minus 4, 64. What we get earlier also, right? So without pen and paper, we can able to solve these type of questions as well. If you are able to, right, speed up your practice, right? If, I mean, speed up your calculation, right? If you are able, I mean, if you are able to practice more and more questions, like just go through previous papers like banking preliminary exam, IBPS clerk or IBPS, whatever it is. I mean, some group for exams or RRB, NTPC like this. So if you can find lot of questions like this, which are following the BODMAS rule, okay, by following the BODMAS rule only we can able to solve these type of questions, or else it will be a problem for us. Okay, we can get the wrong answers if you are not following the BODMAS rule. Okay, so BODMAS is the key in simplification in arithmetic. Okay, got it, friends? So what I'm saying is just take snap from the previous slide and keep it with you, so that whenever you need to remind, right? I mean, just go through the sheet, right, or the slide. Like what is B, what is O, what is D, what is MAS. You can see in BODMAS DMAS, you can able to understand, right? Division, anyhow division, anyhow multiplication, addition and subtraction. This, you can able to remember BODMAS. You need to remember the name BODMAS, BOD, but you need to remember what is the bracket, right? Here, this is the key. First, we need to solve brackets on it. Then here you can see indices as roots and powers, right? 3 power 4 earlier we saw here, right? 3 power 4. So this is order of, here. This is the order of means. Okay, 3 power 4 means power. Okay, so this is how we solve BODMAS questions. Okay, BODMAS in sense this rule can be used to solve simplification within mathematics. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So if you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. And if you want to share any questions, right, PDFs or any previous questions you want me to explain, then please write a mail to the above given mail ID. Yeah, friends, please do subscribe and share our channel. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.